Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on SONY Xperia 1. So first, search for the headphone jack that is right in here and clean the headphone jack port. You can do it with Q-tips or wooden stick, but remember to not use any metallic tools. Then check for your headphones. Test your headphones with another device, ensure they're working, and inspect the headphone jack for visible damage. So, right in here, if you see any visible damage. Next thing is to restart your phone. And try another pair of headphones to make sure that the headphones isn't broken, because if any other headphones is working, then something may be wrong with your phone or the headphone jack. Now we check the audio settings. Please power on. Okay. Settings. Then go into the audio, sounds and vibration, and if we have here any way to update. If not, then search for settings and update. System update, go into it. System, and as you can see, my device is already the latest version, but if you have any update in here, then go on and update your phone. As I told you before, you can clean the headphone port, but you can also clean the port in your headphones. And if it's still not working, if the headphones isn't working, then you probably need to leave your phone in repair store or something like that, and for them to check if anything isn't wrong with your phone. You can always use the Bluetooth headphones. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.